What's up guys? I hope you guys are doing great. So today, what are the best business models to make money online in 2018, even if you are a beginner? So now the first thing I want to say about this is, well, online will give you, the internet will give you opportunities that you will not have in the real life. For example, in real life, you need to rent a place, you need to pay the people working there, you need to pay for inventory, you need to pay for products. So there's a bunch of costs and you need money up front. Now with the internet, you can automate everything. So you don't need that much money up front. For certain business models online, you don't even need any money. All right, so that's great. And there's really three business models that we should look at. And those three business models, if you want more information about this, I strongly suggest you guys check out Alex Becker book, like the 10 Pillar of Wealth or something like this. There's more detail about that. So the first type of business is low capital, meaning we do not need a lot of money to make that business run, with high cash flow. That means that there's a lot of money coming out of that business. The second business model is middle capital, meaning you need between like 10k to 50 to even 100k to make that business run. And it's middle cash flow, meaning you don't get that much cash flow, but because the capital is so high, you get good cash flow, not just with the same report than with this one. For example, this one, you need 1,000 bucks to make it run, but every month you can make like 5 to 10,000 bucks. With this one, you need 50,000 to 100,000, but every month you can make between 10 to 50,000. So you can make more money, but regarding your initial investment, you are actually making less money proportionally. All right. Then you get a last one, which is high capital and middle to low cash flow. For example, now let's put a name on all of those things. So right there, here you got dropshipping. Dropshipping is the perfect example of something like this. So dropshipping, you need maybe like 2k to start doing dropshipping. It's the same thing with affiliate marketing and everything that is email marketing. All right, everything that is marketing online with social medias. You need low cash flow and it can make you a bunch of money quickly. So a lot of money can go through your doors, all right? Because you don't need that much money to maintain everything. Now, middle capital with middle cash flow is, for example, software. Actually, softwares are more in between right there, because softwares have really good cash flow. Because, I mean, you only need a team to maintain your product once it's done. So you need 100k, 200k, 300k to create the software. Well, between 10 to 300,000 bucks to create the software. Once it is done, you just need a team to maintain it. So it's quite cool. Another way of saying this is like a clothing line. For the clothing line, you need to buy the inventory, you need to design it, you need to create it. You need to market it, you need to sell it, you need to store it. So it's a bunch of stuff. You need to send it as well. And that is, it requires some capital of you to make that kind of money. But you can make a lot of money, all right? Yeah, you can make a lot of money. Now, what is the difference between clothing and dropshipping? Well, the thing is, dropshipping is a starter business. Then dropshipping ideally should become something like a clothing company, like a real company with real products, not just taking someone else's product and selling them. Dropshipping is the best way to create monetary, to create money, to create assets, and then use those assets and money to go into a bigger business. Most people try to go right here. Start right here. It's a mistake because most people don't have the experience to create something like this. So they first have to start here to get there. And usually the way it works online and in general is that most people will start here because most people have no money. Then they will get something in here. Then they will get something in here. So you see the kind of business in this thing. It's usually the bigger business. For example, my gym was in this thing. To maintain the gym that I managed for like a year, increase their revenue by 45% or something like this. By maintaining the gym, we needed at least $20,000 every month to maintain that gym. So yeah, it's a lot of money, but it's not a low capital, right? It's a middle capital. And add middle cash flow, because every month, like if we had 10k, 30k, that was great, you know. So that's 10k profit. Right here, you can put down like 2k, 1k or something like this, and if you're good, you can take out like 10k, 5 times your invested capital. That's really a great return. But since it's low capital, you know, it's not that big. With here, you will take less, but regarding the capital, but you will take a bigger amount. All right. Here, if you're good, you can make millions. Here, you can make millions, and here, they don't need to be good to make millions. But to get here, you need a lot of money, right? And in here is like stuff like real estate. Now, why is real estate there? For example, if you buy a complex for, let's say you put down 200,000 bucks, and the bank will lend you 600k. All right. So you got 200 bucks down. The bank lends you 600k, so that's 800 total. And you will get 6% cap rate, meaning 6% on the whole investment. 6%, it's like 50,000 bucks per year. So you got like 800,000, and you will take out like 45,000. And 45,000 is the gross, all right? It's not like you still have to pay the bank, you still have to pay the manager, so it's not the only money that you will make. But as you can see, there's a lot of capital invested, like 200k, and the cash flow that gets out of there is very small, very small. Compared to here, if you have like 1,000, you can take out like 5,000 without too much headaches. In here, you would need like, let's say 50,000 to take out maybe 20,000. So it's still a good return, all right? But it's right there that the wealth in there is created. In here, it's really business. In there, you can create wealth. Now, how do you go about this? How do you build that stuff? Well, you start right there. You know, you start right there. The best way to go about it, if you have absolutely no money, is affiliate. Meaning you don't have to create shit, you don't have to sell shit. All you need to do is to do marketing. Meaning you only need to get leads for a specific product, for a specific niche. For example, if you are into fitness and you find someone that is selling a really great product in fitness, all you need to do is create a list of people that are interested in fitness and could be interested in that product. That's all you need to do, and you can do that for free, especially online. I mean, YouTube is free, Gmail is free, like Facebook is free, Instagram is free. So you can create an audience of people interested in that subject without having to spend the money, all right? So you start right there with affiliate. You create a little bit of money, for example. And then you can even go into email marketing, meaning you create your own product and you start to sell your own stuff. So you keep 100% of the profit. So you start doing email marketing. And for example, you get really good at it. You get good at that kind of marketing. So you can start to create a social media agency or a marketing agency, for example. And you don't need capital up front. It can just be you, alright, just you. So you go in businesses and you sell in businesses. And you can create some income just that way. Once you got some income, you could start a dropshipping store where you go into a niche that you like. You start to dropship a product that you think is quite good. Once it starts to go well, you can go into a bigger thing. You can go into the clothing thing. If you have a social media agency, you can start to hire people. You can just start to hire people to help you in your business. You can start to delegate stuff. You can start to engage people, to employ people that will sell for you, for example. And with all the money that you can create right there, you can actually invest it back in software. You will see a lot of guys on the internet doing that kind of stuff. They make money right here and they take all the money to put it in a software that will help their first business. Once they are done with this, all the money that comes from there usually will go into real estate or will go back in their other businesses. All right. So the whole goal is to get started making some money. But don't forget, if you start with affiliate, it's great, but that's not how you will create wealth. Affiliate is a great way to start, but with affiliate, it's going to be really hard to make more than 10 to 15,000 bucks per month. Now it's great, yes, but things might not be all the time as good as now. Now it's a really good time. Now is the best time to go online. We are still at the beginning of online time. You know, with the gold thing, the gold mining thing, everybody thought that it was just a fad, just not real and not useful, not nothing. And then when people actually started making a lot of money, everybody got into gold mining, right? Everybody. Well, the same thing will happen with the internet. Now a little bit, some people can manage to create their income online, but in like a couple of years, when everybody will see those millionaires from the internet, it will become custom, it will become like current belief that you can make money online. And when that will come, everybody will come online to start to try to make money. And that is why I'm doing this internet marketing thing now, because I know that in like 3 to 5 years, a lot of people will come in that niche, because most people will be like, whoa, it's actually doable. And so a lot of people will be interested. And that means that you have a window of like 3 to 5, maybe more years where you have low competition. It might feel like there's a lot of competition right now, but trust me, there's not. If you just work kind of hard, you can crush everybody, because there's not that many people. But in 3 to 5 years, when everybody can do marketing online, when everybody knows how Instagram works, how YouTube works, and all that kind of stuff, having a social media marketing agency and starting it will be a pain in the ass, because everybody will be doing that kind of stuff. So the best thing is to be into the pioneers. You will not even be in the pioneers, but you will be in the first to get started. So now is really the best time. If you are on the verge, like you're like, maybe I should do it, maybe I should not do it, maybe it's gonna work, maybe it's not gonna work. Well, it's not gonna work at first, but then it will work. Because, I mean, everybody is making money online. Even if you are retarded, you can make money online. All you need to do is just to focus on that area and try a bunch of stuff. All you need to do is just be a professional. I know it's like it's not sexy to say that kind of stuff, but it's really how you should approach with your mindset to all that kind of stuff. If you go online and you create a store and you wouldn't even yourself go in that store to buy something, well, you're not a professional. Right now I'm starting a dropshipping stuff with a friend of mine, and the way I will be testing that stuff is I'm just gonna send it to my family. I won't say nothing. I won't say it's my website. I'll send it to people and I'll see if they buy or if they don't. So it's a test. You know, it's really simple. Everybody can do this. Everybody can do a test like this. Everybody can take their website, send it to their parents, brothers, sisters, friends, colleagues, whatever, and see how they behave. You don't need ads to test your website. You just need people on there. And once you get people on there, they give you the feedback, you can improve on that. All right. Your goal on the website is to make the experience of your customer. It's like when they get into a store. So that is what being a professional is. Right now, it's like kind of a gray area. You can make money online, but some people still think that it's not a decent, it's not a legit way of making money online. In the future, it will become a legit way of making money online, because only the best will be able to do that. Well, if you can get in now, before all the competition comes, you will be in a better position to make a living online for like the rest of your life. But you gotta get in as soon as you can. So those are the 3 business models. I really strongly suggest you go at it with that kind of stuff. So you start with a low capital, because you might not have any money, and if you are starting your business, you should start with low capital thing. If you start right here, it's very likely that you will lose all of your capital, so don't do that. Start right there, build your skills. It might take years, it might be a long way, it might be a pain in the ass, but then you should move that way. And all the money you create, you can put it in real estate or in stocks or whatever. The goal is to create wealth, guys. The goal is to protect your money. If you put it in real estate, you can actually avoid taxes and all that kind of stuff. I might do a video on this in the future if you guys are interested or care. So it's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the next videos. Because, I mean, yeah, it's really important shit, guys, as you can see. If you don't have the mindset right, you're fucked. So make sure you hit the bell button so your mindfuck isn't fucked. Your mindset isn't fucked. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. I hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one. Cheers. Peace out.